Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be changing out this old Rheem unit and we're going to put in a new TRANE system, a two-stage unit. And the slab is okay, the unit will still fit. Got to play around with the copper and the whip. I think we're going to change it or something, I don't know, but we're going to change it out, put a surge protector in this disconnect box, and pretty much we're gonna see what's gonna happen. And yeah, consider subscribing if you're brand new to the channel. And yeah, let's get to it. I always have to do this, but always turn off that breaker and always check if you got power. Now once you guys, I always like to do this, but once you cut the copper out, it's best to tape it off, because you don't want any bugs or animal to go in the copper lines, because it's more safer to cover it up than to be sorry later on in your job. So it's best to cover up the lines. Just a little tip for you guys, for you new guys or been in trade for years. So cover up those copper lines. Okay, the unit is taken out. I just need to get the hand truck, wheel it out of here, and put in the two-stage TRANE system in here. So it's gonna fit in here really nicely. So yeah, let's get that TRANE system over here real quick. Okay, the unit is here, and as you can see, it fits in the slab. So next I gotta do the electrical, the copper, and I'm gonna put the filter dryer here because it doesn't fit inside, and do the tie downs, and then do the surge protector that is gonna be like sitting right here. So yeah. For the whip for this unit, we're gonna put a three-quarter whip, because this unit is asking for a 45 amp breaker or fuses, so it is better to upgrade your wire. And yeah, and be careful when you're putting it on too. Alright, to wire up these two-stage units for TRANE, this yellow goes to the white, and this yellow and red goes to the red side. But you need 3 wires in order to make it as a two-stage. Well, this one is a common, so this one you could put it on ground if you wanted to, or on a blue side if you have 3 wires on the thermostat wire out here. So yeah, that's pretty much how you wire up a two-stage TRANE system, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks at the end. So yeah, this is pretty much how you wire up a two-stage unit. You see, the yellow and red goes up with the red, the white goes with the yellow, and the green goes with the blue. That's pretty much how you wire up a two-stage unit. If this low voltage wire had 3 wires, I could have put it on the blue side, and then it could have been a two-stage. But this is how it normally wired. This is normally how you wire it up if it doesn't have 3 wires. But yeah, I'm gonna put the panel up because it looks like it's about to rain. So I'm gonna close it off, and later on we're gonna check the amperage on this unit. So yeah, let me close this up real quick. Okay, we just finished welding. Pressures are holding up pretty good. So right now I'm just gonna release the nitro, put it on a vacuum, and do the tie downs after this. So yeah, let's start doing that right now. Oh my god. Okay, as you guys will remember on this video over here, I put one of these tie downs on each corner. But now TRANE is saying that it's better to put two tie downs and to double the strength of this not even moving or anything. I don't know if that's true or not, but now I know this thing ain't going nowhere. But it is best to follow the rules of what TRANE is saying to you, and it's better to put two of these clamps than one, because I don't know if it's true or not, but a hurricane could take this unit away if it's one clamp, but I don't know if it's true or not, but it's better to put two. Just saying. Okay, for these two-stage units, you always have to clamp it on the black wire, always, just to check if it's on a two-stage right now. And right now it is. Usually around 11 or 12 and higher up, that's a two-stage. And if it's 10 and down, that's a single stage. So right now it's on two-stage, and it's running on two-stage right now. And the best thing that I love about two-stage units, they always fully charge it, so I don't have to bring the Freon over here. So I'm lucky for today. So pretty much we're gonna close it up, put in the locking caps, which are right there, close it up, and we're pretty much done. And I'm gonna show you guys the final results on this two-stage system unit.